Hello and welcome to the quarterly goals section. Here we look a little bit bigger than monthly goals and think about what do we want to do in 3-month increments, so each quarter. Here is the first and probably only place in this Notion template where you'll have a database. The reason we did this is it allows you to have a little bit more visually compelling way to look at your quarters and also still keep track of them in a table view. So quarter goals are pretty straightforward. You click on a quarter, it opens up a card, you make sure it's the right year, and then write down your goals from administration for that quarter, studio, and finances. So this is where you start taking a look on stuff that's a little bit medium term instead of short term like in a month. So in like a month, you might try selling a piece. Here we might sell 3 pieces or look for a bigger goal that's more aligned with, our utilities, our rents, or, the growth we want for our business. In studio, this is where you can really try making larger works or more cohesive works that fit together. Look not just on kind of actions or small steps, but kind of bigger growing places. And then admin, this is where you can look at how you start steering your business to, make bigger changes, make bigger growth, and do stuff that's more ambitious and maybe takes a couple more steps. In general, again, you have the quarter name. Up here, you have a cover image. We set initially for the cover image for the months. So we have winter, spring, summer, fall. You can choose from their pre-made selections of images, as well as upload your own or link to an image from the web. So we have Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. If you like using this card view, all you have to do is click Add a New Page and choose the template Quarterly Goals. Here, then you can change it for whatever quarter you want. I'm going to plan for quarter 1 in 2025. As this is a new year, I no longer need the 2025, so I'll click Exit there and do 2025. Now that it's on 2025, it'll populate up here. But as you see, I just put in a new year, but this is still showing the year of 2024. So this is where you get the probably most advanced thing in this template, where you have to look at the view of a database. So in a table, you have the option to look at the information of the database in different views. In more advanced Notion templates, you can play with boards, charts, timelines, calendars, and galleries. But we're just going to change the setting on this view to make it easier for you. All you have to do is press Gallery View, Edit View, go down to Filter, so that's what's filtering down to just what you see. And then it's already filtered to what year we're on, so we just go to the year, choose the next year. If you want to see both as you're finishing up the year, you can do both, but as soon as you're done with one year, just unselect it, and then start planning for the rest of that year. So goal 2, quarter 2, quarter 3, and then change the quarters. It can be like what our other table was based off of the seasons, or it can be more abstract and inspiring inspirations. Are you trying to travel somewhere? Do you have a workshop coming up? Do you have a big sale? Do you have a show? Have fun and really play with inspiration. And then once you're done, you can check all your previous quarters here and find what your goals were. Review, is there something from one quarter that I want to move over to the next? And just also kind of keep on track of how your goals in your business have evolved with you.